Hello guys, welcome back to Africa France Lady channel. If now your first time when you dey come across my channel, I beg just hit that notification bell so that anytime when I upload you go notify. So my correct people, I don't come back again. Hey my people, wetin dey happen to Nigeria? Nigeria no get good name any at all. One, we no even get government. Government will be safe, be like say they will go get safe. Cause who dey that year? Nothing. You will not fit identify Nigeria with one good thing, why e be say this Nigeria passport matter dey always dey break problem all over the world, even diaspora everywhere. Now this our brother come still cry come out now say since 2 years that dem no dey fit dey do passport for Benin. People dey suffer before they get passport for Nigeria. Even diaspora the same thing. Please make they change for this thing wey they do. So now this man he do video say make they answer the question wetin make Nigeria passport dey scared, dey difficult to get. My people, abeg, I no wan talk too much, I no wan make my matter too much for this vlog when I do. Abeg, I wan leave this video for una make una watch am. Abeg, make una leave una opinion. If you see they pass through that kind of thing, make you leave your opinion, because Nigeria passport, diaspora, Nigeria, like the problem is too much. You need help. We need help for this way they go on. So my people, make una enjoy the video, and make una leave una opinion, make una leave comments, and make you subscribe. Abeg, share my video until I come your way next time. And I love you all, guys. Enjoy the video. Okay, thank you, guys.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depends where you dey watch me for. My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orupe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria. Today we come talk to the Controller General Immigration. Controller General Immigration, you need to explain to Nigeria, and most importantly, Edo people, for the past 2 years, now this matter don happen for our state. But before I go lead my protest, go for immigration, I just want to let the world know that Nigeria international passport going to 2 years now. If you want to do am for Edo State, for Benin, for Ramapa, it's either they refer you to Kogi State, or they refer you to Asaba, or they refer you to Bayelsa, or they refer you to Port Harcourt. At times, people will go Calabar, go to am. This matter no dey happen for the past 2 years. Today, we dey call on Immigration Controller General for nationwide. Why this Nigeria passport dey scarce for SARS? That is number one question now. When I dey ask the Controller General, where dey Abuja, this international passport, why e dey scarce for SARS? As we speak today now, e no get any state where you will go for SARS, where I say this booklet of international passport dey. But if you go northern Nigeria, you go Nasarawa, you go Kano, you go Kaduna, you go Maiduguri, this international passport is available there. Why? We want you to explain to Nigerians. We want you to explain to Edo people. A lot of people now, most especially our brothers and our sisters, where their passports don't expire, they're just stranded now. They're just stranded. This international passport, now our property, for Edo State. The governor of Edo State, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, this matter don dey happen for the past 2 years. If you wan do this passport for Edo State for Benin, it's either they go refer you to Kogi State or they refer you to another state. At times they refer people to Ondo. So, Controller General, Immigration, why they give you that position na to bring idea for immigration. That institution na to bring ideas for that institution. Today, you don't get any state where you go for SASAF, for Niger Delta, where you go see this booklet. A lot of people, they don't dey lament fees, importers for inside market, not fit renew their passport. You go this immigration office, they say no booklet. You go the other state, no booklet. You go here, they say no booklet. But one side of the country, they get the booklet. With a shame as an injustice, with a shame as an intimidation, with a shame as see finish to SASA people. All the Controller General where we don't get for the past 4 years now. Now, what is going to happen to Edo people with this? You don't get any time when you go down Rama Park for immigration office. May they give you your international passport there. It's either they tell you say no booklet never come, make you go to other state. You can never go to that office. They will do your international passport for you. So, Controller General, we want to make you explain to Nigeria and make you explain to Edo people, home and abroad, why the matter be like that. Like this international passport now. Some people there now for the past 3 months for Edo State, where their passport don't expire, they want renew. To even renew not a problem. They'll tell you say booklet, no day. Does it mean say the money where that immigration don't they make? They don't get reserved to print booklet, just to print this booklet, just to print this international passport. What do they want to take federal government? Muhammadu Buhari, Mr. President, what do they go take this immigration people to print this booklet, passport, Nigerian passport? What do they want to take them? Today, this passport, the official price now how much? The official price now how much? But to get this passport now, you go spend like 60,000 naira. Yes. To get this international passport now, because of the they say go here, go here. Somebody, immigration, they call me today. Somebody call me say go Nasarawa State. They get from Nasarawa State. Why Nasarawa State will get booklet and Edo State not will get booklet? Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, I beg, call the commander for immigration for Edo State. Call him, make this passport available for Edo people, home and abroad. This matter don't get ground for the past 2 years. He dey pay me for body. He dey pay me for body well. Somebody will be say he hold the money to do the passport. The story where you go dey hear no booklet. My brothers and sisters, as una dey watch this video, make una dey share am. Make una dey share am until the Controller General Immigration see this video. Because some part for the country, nothing they get booklet, then SASAC don't get. SASAC don't get. Anybody who want to do this passport now for Edo State must go to another state to do. Is it supposed to be like that? Immigration Controller General now they ask now. Now question now they ask why? Delta State where near Edo no get. Bayelsa no get. Cross River, no get. Anambra, no get. Enugu, no get. Even Udo side, no get. Then some path for the country, they get an SS. All this one are injustice. So we are calling our governor, because now he be the chief security of the state. Anything wey dey happen for Edo State today, now he dey go fair call. Now make me dey call am now. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, call the immigration commander for Rama Park. Make international passport available for the people of Edo State. Our Edo people, they risk their life for road. When they say they travel, go they do it for another state. In case you won't call me as we dey talk, so you fit call my line 080-5384-1781. 080-5384-1781. This passport, when I dey talk about, wetin you wan take federal government to produce am? Wetin you wan take them to produce am, so that they go fit make am available from every state? Even Nigeria embassies for different countries, na so Nigerians wey dey diaspora, Edo people wey dey diaspora, still dey struggle to get this booklet, this international passport. Federal government is making a lot of money from this passport. Why? They don't dey invest back for the passport today for grant, so that our people go fit collect am. I know how many people don't call me, say they want to renew their passport, they don't see booklet. They want to renew their passport, they don't see booklet. I know how many people they tell me, they want travel to do passport now, no problem. Importers full inside our market. Now inside market are there now. Inside market now they do this report. Inside market. I know how many importers we're supposed to travel now. Go China, go Germany, go America, go buy goods come. But this international passport is not available. Controller immigration, is it right? Is good like that? For somebody to be controller immigration officer, now you say you supposed to bring ideas when Nigerians will get this passport. If another thing dey, why una no wan make am available? Make una tell Nigerians and Edo people. Make una tell Edo people. Wetin me don notice? Wetin me don notice for the past 2 years? Now they talk now to get international passport for Edo State. Not the day easy. They must refer you to another state. We don't want them again. We don't want them again. May they bring the international passport, come their office, so that anybody wey need am go fit dey do am. One of my brother Afrisen want international passport. He had to travel to Bayelsa, and he reach Bayelsa, he no see am do. He dey risk in life for road. Na so many people dey suffer this thing when they talk and they no fit cry come out. So you when they see me and you dey hear my voice, and this thing you still dey pass through all these things so that they talk for immigration hand. Share my video. Share this video until Muhammadu Buhari, the president and the Controller General Immigration and Interior Minister, all of them when they charge, may they see am. Waiting to go take federal government to produce this international passport. Yes, waiting you want to take them. Waiting you want to take them. If you want to do this passport now, the official price now very small money. But if you want one between 55,000 to 60,000, different price. Why? Because you must travel. Where you travel, but you must stay hotel before you fit to one the next day. before you know money don dey go 80,000 or 80 something thousand. Why be say people wey get power of corridor dem dey make things dey hard for poor masses? My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orupe. In case you wan call my number, you wan add voice to my voice, you wan contribute your quarter, or you get anything wey concern this passport matter wey I dey talk, the thing dey touch you, you wan call me, you go call this number 08053841781, 08053841781. Controller General Immigration make this booklet, international passport, available for all states. Make it available so that the people when their own don expire, they fit renew their own. The people wey wan get new one so that they fit get. E no go good say people wan renew passport, common passport. Na common passport na book na see am, na booklet na see am. Booklet, common passport, yes. E dey common na, yes, to produce one be money na. This one na booklet, na book wey be say na people, yes, na people dey do am. So wetin you wan take immigration or federal government to provide am for Nigerian masses, for Edo people? So I dey report from Benin, Edo State, Nigeria. Thank you.